Hi everyone, I'm Michael Chaize, Flash Platform Evangelist for Adobe, and today I want to use tablet devices connected to LiveCycle Collaboration Service. So I'm a very lucky guy because I had the chance to play with Android tablet devices such as this one, the Samsung Galaxy Tab, and also I played with this fantastic device, the RIM PlayBook, Blackberry PlayBook. And as you can know, you can run Flex applications on these devices and connect them to LiveCycle Collaboration Service. So why would you use LCCS with tablet devices? I think that the game changer is the access to the camera, because imagine that you visit a customer, okay, it's an on-site visit, and then you want to fix something on a machine, and you need to call an expert to get some advice. And now, thanks to the tablet, you can directly, for instance, take a picture of your context and share it in real time with the expert who is based at the headquarters, for instance. And you can take picture, but also you can share live video feed in real time. And we will see how to make it happen with LCCS. So first, let's have a look at this application. So I have here two projects. The first one is running on my tablet, and the second one is running on my desktop. So maybe what I can do first is just launch the desktop application. So here is the UI, just a data grid and something that I will introduce later, and I will launch exactly the same application on my tablet. So let me just click here. And this is connected to LCCS, exactly the same UI. I've just added on this application a Take a Picture button. So I click on the button, and it will launch the native Android UI. I will just take a picture. Maybe you can say hello. Here you are. So I will click on Save to validate it. And automatically, this picture will be uploaded to LCCS. And on the desktop, as you can see, here we are. We have exactly like 5 seconds after the same picture. And here I've got a component named the shared whiteboard. And using my finger, I can draw a circle here. And this is synchronized with my desktop. And I can ask the expert, oh, who is this funny guy just in the back of this camera? And then maybe he will be able to answer. So how to build this application? Now let's have a look at the code. So first, this is the host component for LCCS experience, the connect session container. Then you authenticate. This is the URL of my room provided by LCCS. I have an image component, my data grid, and the shared whiteboard. So if I look at the code of the tablet application, to take a picture, I'm using this object, myCam, which is a camera UI object. It has been introduced in Air 2.5 for Android, and it's also available on the Blackberry PlayBook. Then, if it's supported, I create a new camera UI object. I add an event listener, and you just need, when I push the Take a Picture button, this is just launching the native Android UI in this case, and I just tell the application to take a picture. You can also take capture a video and then upload it, but in this case this is an image, this is just a picture. Then it will launch on complete to say I have the picture, and I'm using this object, a file publisher, to upload the picture to LCCS, and then I just update the source of the image. So within LiveCycle Collaboration Service, you have an object named the File Manager that will centralize all the files that are shared inside a room. And you have the File Publisher to upload an image and a File Subscriber to get a notification when there is a new image. So now if we look at the desktop app, I declare here a File Subscriber, a File Publisher, and then I just update the file descriptor, which is just an array collection. And if you look at the data grid, the data provider is file descriptor. So every time that there is a new image in LCCS, it will just automatically update my data grid. And when I click on an item of the data grid, I just can get the URL of this image and display it here inside the Flex Image component. Now, if you want to draw something on the image, you must use this component, which is a high-level component provided by default inside LCCS. And the name of this component is the shared whiteboard. So the tip is to just add an image, and on top of this image, you have the shared whiteboard. And just change this property, background alpha, set it to 0 so that you can see the image in the back and you can draw something and synchronize this drawing experience among all the concurrent users. So this is very easy to share a picture using LCCS, but you can also share a live video feed. To do so, here I've just created another application. And this is always the same. You have the connect session container, and you authenticate, and you have this high-level component named web camera that will automatically handle for you the access to the camera and broadcast in real time a video feed. So if I launch it on my desktop, as you can see, it will display a Start My Camera button. This is the default behavior of this component, which is open source, by the way, so you can modify all the components that will appear inside this container. So if I click on Start My Camera, it will access the webcam of my desktop. Okay, you can see me now. And I will launch the same code on the tablet device. So here I've got the user interface, as you can see, live video feed of my camera, but I can also click on the Start My Camera button. And as you can see on my desktop, this is broadcasting a live feed, so I can share my context in real time just using the camera. And when you look at the source code, it's just one tag actually to declare. So if you want to build first-class widget applications and add collaborative features, I really invite you to download the free SDK of LCCS. If you are a developer, then you can just open an account for free, and you will have your own room, and you can share pictures, but also use the camera to share a live video just using drag and drop inside Flash Builder to add this web camera tag. So this is very powerful, very efficient. Thank you.